This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news. Forget everything you thought you knew about construction. What if the most tedious, error-prone part of building anything could be done 10 times faster, with pinpoint accuracy, by a robot? That's not science fiction, it's Civ Robotics. Their mission, as Chief Technology Officer Amit Moran explains, is to automate the repetitive, painstaking tasks in the massive infrastructure and construction industry. We're talking about the very foundation of every project. How? They're unleashing rugged, intelligent robots, powered by AI, to handle surveying and layout. Think about marking out thousands of points on a construction site, a job that traditionally takes humans days, even weeks, often in harsh conditions. Now, watch this. Civ Robotics AI-powered bots are doing it automatically, boosting efficiency like you wouldn't believe. We're talking about a potential revolution in how we build everything from solar farms to entire cities. Moran highlights a critical pain point. The construction industry lives and dies by precise site layout. But the old way, it's incredibly workforce intensive. Think teams of people manually staking out points. And the kicker? It's massively prone to human error. One mistake can cost millions and cause huge delays. But Civ Robotics said no more. Their solution was built from the ground up to crush these inefficiencies. Their robots, the CivDot and CivDot Plus, are out there right now, marking thousands of points a day. The traditional method, maybe a few hundred if you're lucky. These AI bots, they're hitting 10 times that speed, and not just faster. They're more accurate than traditional methods. What's the secret sauce? As Moran explains, they were inspired by the breakthroughs in autonomous technology. They took that cutting-edge AI and robotics and focused it laser-sharp on making site layout faster, more accurate, and critically safer for workers. And here's where it gets really interesting for tech heads. NVIDIA is powering every stage of their development. We're talking full-stack AI. First, they use NVIDIA for training their AI models, in the cloud, on their own data centers. Then, they leverage NVIDIA Isaac Sim to simulate everything. From the robots themselves, to sensor placement, to complex algorithm development. This virtual testing ground saves them insane amounts of time and money. And when these robots hit the dirt, they're running on NVIDIA Jetson Orin, powerful, compact AI computers designed for the edge. This means these robots are thinking, navigating, and executing with incredible precision, right there on the job site. But groundbreaking tech isn't built in a vacuum. Moran emphasizes the power of community. That's why they're part of the NVIDIA Inception program, a hub that connects startups with resources, expertise, and a network of innovators. It's about accelerating together. Civ Robotics sees NVIDIA's deep investment in robotics, and that gives them the confidence to go all in on NVIDIA technology to power their own revolution. This isn't just a startup using some off-the-shelf parts. This is a deep technological partnership. So, the next time you see a massive construction project, remember this. AI robots, powered by NVIDIA, are likely making it happen faster, cheaper, and more accurately than ever before. The future of construction isn't coming. Civ Robotics is building it, one precise point at a time. What industry do you think AI will revolutionize next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to AIX for more on the AI breakthroughs changing our world.